Hey guys, this is Chadley at Metalworks. We just fired up our Chevy 4x4 restoration for the very first time. You guys can check out the entire restoration of the truck on our website, metalworksclassics.com. It's a complete nut and bolt restoration. Every single component was addressed. As you can see, it's got a crate 350 in it, but the rest of the build was done pretty much OEM for an overall stock feeling to the truck. We still got to get the seat in it and a few other details like the steering wheel, but it's coming together. Like I say, this is the first time we fired it up. There you have it. Thanks for stopping by. And again, you can check out this entire build on our website, metalworksclassics.com. Take care.